Abby. Okay, so for the first one, you gave us the charge and the distance, and we're trying to find the force. So what I did is I just plugged it into the equation here. So you get 50 squared because you take the absolute value of this, so it's no longer negative 50. So you get 50 squared times k, which is this number, and then you divide it by 0.8 squared, which is 0.64. So I plugged that all in, boop, 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 and then I got this number. I don't want to say it out loud because it's really big. Yeah, okay, and then for the second one, you gave us the force and the charges. And so what I did was I plugged everything in. So you get 600 equals K times 1200, which is the charges multiplied together. And then you divide it by R squared. And since we don't know R, I rearranged the equation a little bit so we could find R. So what I did was I divided 600 by K times 1200, so that's over here. Let's get, oh my gosh, and then you get 1 over R squared, but you're trying to find R squared, not 1 over R squared, so then I inversed the equation, which will give you R squared, and then I square rooted it, and I simplified, so this equals 1 and this equals 2, so it's just K times 2, the square root of K times 2 equals R. And so that's what I got for R. Yeah, that's what I got for R. Okay, and then for the last one, I didn't really know what to do. I watched some videos and stuff, and I tried to figure it out, but it's probably wrong. But you know that F equals M times A. At least that's what it said online, so. But we know the mass. We know the mass is 3 kilograms. So I plugged that in, and then times A, I just did the acceleration of gravity, which is 9.8, which gives you 29.4 newtons equals F. And so then I plugged that into the equation, so you get 29.4 equals K times Q squared, because we know that the charges are the same, so just Q squared, over 1 because the distance is 1. And then I rearranged the equation. So you get 29.4 over K equals Q squared. So then I did this and I square rooted it, and this is the number I got. And I probably should have written it in exponential form, but I forgot how. So that's the number. Yeah, okay.